What's up, team? Amazon has been doing very, very well for the past couple of weeks, and I actually closed out my August calls today that I entered back on the 25th, so 2 days ago. I took half of my profit here at 10:15 a.m. for $15,000, and then I closed the other half of my profit at about 15:31 for an extra $19,125, giving us a total return of 60% or $34,000. And I want to explain why I saw value in this setup in the first place, and ultimately why I took the position. If you guys want access to all of our free courses, check out the link in the description, specifically the market bias course that we have going over why we entered this trade today. It's really the only indicator that I use next to sometimes the BX trender and maybe the volume profile, but that indicator and that strategy, I teach it completely free down in the description. But looking at this, you're going to see that we have rejected here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now, the more times that we test a resistance and the more times that we reject, usually the higher of a chance that we're actually going to break that level. I talk about this a lot, but big money kind of just like a boxer, or if you guys do MMA, using your jab, using feints in order to teach people or give reads to your opponent. This is what big money does. They will let everyone understand that whenever we tap 190, we reject. And they will get everybody to remember this so that every time we touch this level, we pull back until we finally don't. Boom. And then they end up, unfortunately, killing all of the shorts, or you end up missing your chance to go long. So much like a boxer training somebody with their jab, getting them to feint, and then hitting them with that kill shot, this is basically what ended up happening with Amazon. We knew that this time was most likely going to be different because of two main reasons. Number one is because as we were coming up into this resistance level, we saw a double green expansion on the market bias. And that means that price is probably, not all the time, going to stop consolidating within that range, and that we're getting enough bullish pressure to push through that resistance level. Now, the other aspect, and mainly the big reason that we knew this was going to happen, is that we saw big money buying a ton of calls. Like, these are the threads from the private Discord community. When we posted about this on the 25th, we had this set up, but then afterwards, you could see here on the 26th, Alpha Gold alert. So we're getting a ton of real-time flow coming into this. And then today, we get more real-time flow coming into this. So when you're seeing a resistance like this, with a ton of accumulation on the market bias, and then in real time, big money is buying confirmed options flow, it is a telltale sign that they are going to rip right through that level. My target was 200, which we ended up hitting. And at this point, I think that we can still see Amazon in the next couple of weeks and months move its way maybe even up to 210 or 220. Let me know what you guys think in the description. If you guys want access to all my trades in real time, you can do that by joining our private academy. The link is in the description. You'll get access to all of my trades, our private Discord community, as well as all of our courses. Thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you next time.